Narciso Rodriguez for her Musk Noir. This one reminds me so much of my Korea trip. I used to have like the small sample one, and then I fell in love with this one, and then I have the one in white color which Shaira bought for me because I teman her go to YG Entertainment, and then she said, Zoo, I get you anything that you want. So I was like, okay, I want a perfume from Olive Young. Anyways, I am wearing, oh, I hope tak nampak Syed ke sini je because our house is a bit of a mess. Okay, so I am wearing Serene newest Serene tudung. This one is just a turtleneck that I got from Seoul.
This is from with Soothe. This is from Uniqlo.
And
also Uniqlo.
Yeah, Uniqlo. That is from H&M. Okay, yeah, so on to our second last day, but we're gonna enjoy it, inshallah. We're just gonna not think about tomorrow, and then we're just gonna go. Okay, bismillah, let's go. Made a pit stop just now because Syed nak betulkan tudung dia. That was very windy. I mean, we cannot say anything because this is a beach. Yeah. Okay, we're just going to the beach houses. I don't really know where to go, but you know, let's just go. Hello. I was just telling Syed because there were like a couple of people who greeted us just now, and I was saying to Syed that the people here are very welcoming. Yeah. They would like, you know, initiate a conversation. Hello, kat Singapore tak ada Just now we were like walking, and then like there was this one couple who was like, oh, good day, and I was like, oh, good day. I think we Singaporeans should learn a lot from people here. Oh, there it is. We're going this way, everyone. Right now, and we just came across this one, Earth Choice. One, it looks very beautiful. Two, it smells very good. Fresh linen.
Laundry detergent shit.
Syed has this habit of cursing.
No, I'm reading this. See?
Okay. Mana? Oh, sheets. Sorry. Smell. It's a fabric softer and it smells so good. We're smelling, thinking like we live here, but we don't.
Oh my god!
What? You want to get this? Yeah! Laundry sheets. How? What is that? Never seen this before.
Sedap gila. One sheet pelut. Petty load.
Place laundry sheets directly into washing machine and then load laundry. Do not place sheet into laundry detergent tray. Just put it inside the washing machine. You want to get it's $16 though. It's 16, so it's expensive. Yeah. TMI. We're just waiting for the train back to Melbourne Central. But instead of going to Melbourne Central, we are going to Flinders Street. Okay, kita akan jawab soalan. I will answer the questions that I've got. First one, soalan pertama. What's your future plans? Well, I don't know. These kind of questions really freak me out, but I'm just trying to do my best in whatever I'm doing. I mean, like, focus on my career. Whatever comes, I'll gladly accept it. Yeah? Your personal color. What color do you see me as?
Oh, you want a specific or just like
any color?
this color?
Shai is like looking at me. This color. Oh, beige macam beige.
Macam like beige.
Shara says I am kind of like a beige-ish. On things, I prefer it to be pastel peach, but for wearing like my hijab or my clothes, I prefer it to be like a light color. But occasionally I do go all black. Okay, how to be cheerful like you? I think being emotionally intelligent with yourself also. Knowing how to feel, when to feel is really important. When to feel this and then how to feel this in front of different people. I guess around people, you feel cheerful, you be the best that you can be, validate your own feelings. And I guess when you are in touch with your feelings, inshallah, the doa juga, that Allah will also take care of how we feel, when we feel, and our emotional balances. Okay? Does pineapple belong on pizza? Do you agree?
Yeah?
Yes, I do agree. I love Hawaiian pizzas. Okay, I know it's like a very controversial topic when it comes to pizzas. Pineapples do belong on pizzas. If you think that they don't, it's fine. I respect that. But to me personally, I do believe that pineapples belong on pizzas. Your presets for your photos. I use Lightroom.
Yes,
wait.
I've been curious about it too.
Okay,
girl.
I use Lightroom. Okay, I use Lightroom, and I love, you know, getting presets from YouTube. So you just click on YouTube and then you like search anything. If you want like a pink pastel like Lightroom preset, yeah, and there's gonna be a lot of options, okay? Most of which are free and you can download them. So I get my presets from YouTube because there are people who preset and pre-make that specific presets. But the presets that I really love to use, there's like pink peach blush, and I have like beige tone presets. These are some things that you can just click on YouTube, search, download it, and then you're gonna be fine. You got someone already?
Have.
I do not, okay? And it's fine, you know, Shai? Fine, right?
Oh, yeah.
There's a cute dog. Your favorite sister?
Me.
Honestly, two of my sisters asked this. Your favorite sister? I don't have a favorite sister. Korang jangan macam-macam. Yeah. Anyways, skincare routine. Now, right now, I am using this one Malaysia brand called Ruru Berry. It helps a lot in like hydrating my skin. And apa lagi kalau dah tua macam kita. No. Okay, sorry. But try to drink collagen also. I started my collagen already because my mom was like, Kak, you need to start collagen or else you're gonna get wrinkles.
I also want it.
Okay. Okay.
Yep, it's raining. It's raining.
Guys. And life after grad, stressful, but it's fun because you don't have academic stress. But you're gonna get other forms of stress. But it's okay. It's perfectly fine to question what you're gonna do next. Even this one statement and this one phrase that whatever is written for you will find you, and whatever that is not meant for you, take it as a life lesson lah. Okay, I think we gotta go. We were waiting for the sunset, but I don't think so. The sunset, yeah.
There was a key.
It's okay. Yesterday, I mean, past few days, we got to see a lot of beautiful sunsets that Allah has blessed us with. Yeah, Shai wants to go to Zara to get some stuff. There is a puppy in front of our apartment. Yeah, it's still there. Bye bye, puppy. Wait for your owner to come, okay? Why was it outside? Why was it outside?